Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super useful, downloading a DEM for an exact area using a polygon from Google Earth, and then bringing it into Global Mapper. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. A DEM, or digital elevation model, is basically a 3D version of the ground. Every single point has an elevation value, so you can see hills, valleys, and slopes in digital form. This workflow is perfect when you need realistic landscape views and terrain analysis. Alright, let's jump straight in. Why we use a DEM when it really matters? So, why even bother with a DEM? Well, I only use it when terrain details really matter. For example, when doing slope and aspect analysis for roads, solar farms, or slope stability. For cut and fill calculations to estimate how much earth we'll need to move. For hydrology or watershed modeling, basically to see how water flows and collects. For line-of-sight checks for towers, antennas, or surveillance systems. Or even for route planning, to find the most efficient or safest path. In short, whenever precision, safety, or design depend on terrain, a DEM is your best friend. Step 0. Defining the area of interest. Before downloading anything, we always define my area of interest. That just means the specific part of land you actually care about, not the entire map. Here's how to do that quickly. Search for a place name or landmark in Google Earth and zoom into your target area. Or paste exact latitude and longitude coordinates to jump right to the location. Or import an existing KML, shapefile, or GPX if the area is already defined. By the way, a KML file is the format Google Earth uses to save shapes and locations. It keeps the coordinates and names intact, so they open perfectly in mapping software. And if you're working in a team, always share the same KML file or coordinates so everyone stays aligned. Compass Step 1. Draw the area in Google Earth. Okay, click Add Polygon. A polygon is just a closed shape, like drawing a fence around your target area. Click around the corners like this, outline the zone, name it DEM area, and hit OK. Then, right-click that polygon under My Places, choose Save Place As, and save it as a KML file, maybe on your desktop for quick access. Step 2. Open the polygon in Global Mapper. Now let's move over to Global Mapper, our professional mapping and terrain analysis tool. Go to File, Open Data Files, and open that same KML file. Global Mapper will load it instantly and show your polygon right on the map. And there you have it. Your area of interest is ready to go. Step 3. Make the polygon active. Next, grab the Digitizer tool. That's the main tool for selecting or editing map features. Click inside the polygon. It should highlight. That means it's active and ready to guide the DEM download. Mountain Step 4. Download the DEM inside the polygon. Now for the exciting part. Click Download Online Data from the toolbar. That tool connects to online elevation servers. In the dialog box, go to Elevation Data and choose a source, like SRTM or ASTER. SRTM stands for Shuttle Radar Topography Mission, a NASA project that mapped global elevations at about 30-meter resolution. ASTER is another great satellite DEM source with similar detail. Set area to download selected features, so it only grabs the data inside your polygon. Go down a little and check the box, Download within currently selected polygon here. Click Connect, and let it download. A few seconds later, boom, your DEM appears, perfectly clipped to your area. Now open the Control Center, toggle the layer on and off, and confirm everything's displaying right. Step 5. Export the DEM file. Time to save your work. Go to File, Export, Export Elevation Grid Format, and choose GeoTIFF. A GeoTIFF is basically an image that stores both elevation values and geographic coordinates, super compatible with all GIS software. Under Export Bounds, make sure it's still set to Selected Features, and then click OK. And just like that, your file is exported clean and ready for sharing or analysis. Step 6. Verify for next steps. To double-check, just reload your exported file back into Global Mapper. Everything should line up perfectly: elevations, boundaries, and terrain. From here, you can generate contours, run slope analysis, or export a KMZ for use on mobile apps like Google Earth or Backcountry Navigator. And you can find how to use it on this channel in earlier videos or from the link down below. A KMZ is just a compressed KML file. And that's it. You've just created a precise DEM, clipped exactly to your chosen area from Google Earth, processed seamlessly in Global Mapper. This workflow saves time, keeps your data clean, and boosts confidence in every decision based on terrain. You can also find other related videos on this channel in language options as put on the description and comment sections down below. See you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and drop a comment if you found this helpful.